Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually add members in your GroupMe account groups. But before we start our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first thing first, you just have to download this GroupMe application over here. Once you have that application, make sure it's updated as well, guys, and I will simply open up this app, and as you can see, this kind of interface will pop up once you open this app. What you will do is simply just tap on your existing group that you have. So I have this group. So if I want to add more members, what I will do is I will simply tap on my group profile, tap on it. Here you can see this members option right there, right? Simply tap on over there. You can see I have existing. Then what I will do is simply tap on this plus icon over here. Here I can see contacts and the groups, right? So I can simply go over there in search bar, type in whatever name, email address, or phone I want to find that person with, and I will choose that person just like that. And you can see it will question you to add. Simply tap on this add option there, and that person will be added. And if the person does not have access to GroupMe, then you will simply send them an invite link that or you can send them a message that, hey, I'm in GroupMe, please install that app, create an account, let's be there, and you can simply get that person here in your group as well. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. This is how you can simply add somebody in your GroupMe, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.